8:20 a.m. I'm on my way out to the lake. I realized I didn't bring my damn ice fishing sled with all the gear in it. I left it in the driveway. Fudge! So now I gotta turn around, go drive. Luckily I'm only 20 minutes out. 20 minutes back home. And won't be on the road till about 7 now, so that sucks, but hey. Away she goes. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Christian Norbraden here with Spoon Goon Fishing. We're out here yet again on Williston Lake because the season is ending quickly, so we're just gonna get all the time in out here we can. Try and secure that 35-incher through the ice. If not, we'll have to wait till next season. So, here's what it is. Hopefully we get one. If not, we got a friggin' hell of a season ahead, so that'll be fun. And then there's always next year, but we're not even gonna start talking like that. Shoreline's melting behind me here. Kind of see some dark patches. There's my trail, another dark patch. Weather's foggy, windy, snowy, but not too cold, so can't complain. Pooch is over there checking it out for me. How's the ice, bud? Does it look okay? Hope so. And we'll see you out there. It's time to try and catch a big one. Ugh. Went farther out, but we're in 28 feet. So it actually is a little bit shallower where it looked like it would be deeper, which isn't the best sign, but we're off a point there. Shoreline's behind us. I don't know, it's kind of lame over there. So it's either go out farther till it drops down or sit here. I think it's just a flat shelf all the way, and then towards that point it gets a bit shallow and maybe on the other side drops. I couldn't tell you, but there is no really good graphs on this lake, so I just got to figure it out. No fish yet. Always got to bring yourself a little wake-up call because it can get boring out here. Just waiting for an eater to come smoke it. Come on, baby, come on. What? Quit bugging me. You got a poo? Okay, you can go. Let's get you outside. Come on. You go enjoy that windy storm then. Go on, go ahead. Catch you later, bud. Whoa. Sketchy, boys. Sketchy. Here we go. Fish is gonna nip it. Come on, big guy. Come on. Come on. He nipped it once. There we go. Fish on, guys. Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Come on. Oh yeah. It's gonna be a fighter. It's gonna be a fighter. Okay. Okay. Don't want to spill my chocolate milk. Oh. I don't want to lose him either. Okay. Fucking rights. That was awesome. What a hook set. That was awesome. Fight him for a minute there. Oh yeah, he's going for a run now. That was wicked, you guys. Oh yeah. Feels like a Laker. Waited all friggin' day for that. All day. Okay. Yeah. Do your thing, buddy. Let's go. Wicked. Woo! I was waiting patiently for that guy, I tell you. Oh yeah. He's going all right. Woo! Haha! All day, I tell you. Seen that mark coming up, you guys? And I played with him because he missed the first hit. And he was hungry. He wasn't done after that first hit. Wow. This drag's pretty tight, man. This might be a big fish. Or it might just be a strong bully. Oh, buddy! Woo! Come on. Oh. Can't lose this fish, man. Woo. Okay. Oh, my forearm's dying. This is a serious fish, you guys. Oh. Gotta tighten this drag up a bit even more. Wow. Okay. Should be playing out soon. Oh my god. Wow. I waited so long for this fish to come through. Okay, leader. We're out of leader. What do we got? Whoa. Whoa. Wonder how big this. Looks like a Laker. And it looks like a big one. I wonder if it's gonna be our 35. Wonder if it's gonna be our 35. Either way, it's a spunky one. Let's get her up. She's gonna be ready now. Alright, there's those bubbles. Oh my gosh. I don't know if it's just the water or what, but it looks huge. Please don't lose this. Please don't lose this. Come on, big girl. Whoa. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. That could be a monstrosity, or it could just be another 30 to 33, but it looks huge. It looks bigger. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's just so fat. Oh my. I hope this is the one, you guys. Poochie boy, I hope this is the one. Wow. Okay. That is just a big fat fish, man. That is just a big Big fish. Wow. Okay. All right. We're still going. All right. I tightened my drag up 3 times. Okay. I'm not gonna tighten it up anymore. Just gonna give her here. All right. Jeez, just took the line again, hey? There it is. Leader. Okay. She's probably tired now. Oh my gosh. That's a big one. Up and in. Up and in. Oh, those are some head shakes, man. Look at that. Don't get off. Do not get off. Get up, in. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Almost. 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 Yeah. Yes. You are almost mine. Come on. I'll get you. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. What's going on here? Whoa. Holy fudge. Okay. Woo! You guys ready? Let me just turn it around. Wow. This is gonna be a huge fish. Hey, you guys ready to see this fish? Holy shit. Let's go. Oh, yeah. That's the fish, all right. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is definitely my personal record, Laker. It's gotta be, I don't know how big, but it's huge. It is huge. Whoa. That is absolutely huge, you guys. Gonna let it breathe for a second. Took a gnar beating out there. That hook really was in there. This has got to be a 20-pounder, you guys. My God. This is a freaking monstrosity. Wow. Yes. Okay. Let's pull out this tape. Ready, you guys? One more look at her. That's a huge fish. Look at this thing, man. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. You can breathe, baby. I got 2 8-inch holes side by side. Oh, my hands are frozen solid. Okay. $35.25. 35.5-inch fish, you guys. 35.5. Holy shit. Look at that. Awesome hog. Awesome hog. What a fight. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, you guys. Just wow. All right, say goodbye. Oh, ho, ho. She is ready. Big time ready. Say good night. Whoa! Down she went! Woo! Spoon goons. Okay, Pooch. You want to go home, bud? You want to go home? Huh? We caught our personal record, buddy. We did it. We caught our personal record. Give me a 5. Give me a 5. Yeah, good boy. All right, you guys. That is it. That's it for today. It's a long, slow day out there. We grinded hard, but we came out, finally got that 35-incher we were talking about. Now it's time to get to that 38, but hey, we friggin' did it. Good old pat on the back. Worked all winter for that bad boy, like, goddamn. Oh, and it wasn't just long too, it was freaking fat. Like, that was a good fish. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Like and subscribe, We're gonna try and get out here a couple more times before the season ends. We'll see. And if not, we're on to other things, maybe bigger, better things. Thanks for watching. Spring Green Fishing. Oh, you wanna go home, bud? Let's go. Okay, I'm coming.